Hey, what's up, YouTube? Bob Blaze coming at you again. I'm almost at 80 fishing, so we're gonna get that. We're gonna do price check, and if I feel like it, I might go sell and add that to this as well. I'll do some video editing like I did on I think it was my last video. But, yeah, I staked Expo 2 mil. Obviously lost, yeah, so. Go check him out. I think he has a couple clips in the video that we were doing on his page of him probably killing me. But yeah, we did some friendlies and I killed him a couple times, but it was whatever. It's okay, guys. We'll have our money back soon enough. Oh, and in the last bank video, I realized that I forgot my archer's ring. So, I mean, it's not worth much, but I did forget it. And I did buy a fish mask because it's awesome. I paid, I believe 2 mil for it, so it's kind of expensive. More than what it actually is, but I don't care. I just wanted water to say something to me. I got bored. Oh, actually, it's kind of cool that, like, you can, like, the water will talk to you when you catch a fish. Like, I don't know if you guys can read it, but it'll pop up every once in a while. And it'll say my name. It's kind of like advertising for my thing. Well, I wish it was advertising. See right here, you have done this before, haven't you, Bob Blaze? See? So, I wish it would, like, advertise my YouTube channel. That would really help me out quite a bit. But that's okay. So, I think we're almost there. Yeah, 3K. We're getting there. It's double XP weekend, guys. I hope you're getting those levels. Because I know I am. I should really go for my range, but I really don't want to. It's a lot of work there. Huh. Hearing some weird noises. It's about 7:15 in the morning. I stayed up all night, of course, Got off work about 8:30, stayed at work until about 10:30 because I didn't have a ride to get home from work. I made it back here and I gained a couple fishing levels. I believe that's a couple from the last. I don't even remember what level I had. I know that's decent right there though. It's a decent amount. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm getting kind of tired. I should probably get some sleep here soon, but I'm dedicated, guys. I want my next 99. I could get it in ranging like so fast because I could just go kill what do they call water fiends? But I don't know. I can always get it later. That was the next 99 that I was gonna get before. I was like, I want fishing again. Fishing is a really long time. And the sad thing is that when I hit 80, I realized this, guys, when I hit 80, there is a requirement for great white sharks. So I'm not going to be able to do it because I don't have the construction level. It says right here, I believe. Yeah, right here. It says requires a built pawnbroker in your house and the great white shark perk unlocked. Don't know what any of that means, but I don't have it. So, I guess I'm gonna have to wait. What is this? I'm probably gonna look this up because it's one more level up. And if I can get there without any requirements or anything, I will do that because that's gonna be more XP and we need XP faster. And then it's gonna be the 85. I'm gonna go down in the Living Rock Caverns, and then 90. Of course, I'm gonna be doing Rocktail. Oh yeah. Alright, there's cavefish gloves. I never realized how much. Oh, hey guys, I already got that. I didn't even realize it. So for now, I don't have the strength level for that. Crap. I need a rocktail gloves. Wow, I never realized how much stuff there was for fishing. Woodcutting's a bit more simpler, I would think. Come on, damn it. Go down. Where are you? Is this Nancy? Oh. Alright. I did sell most of my tunas. I didn't sell them, I should say. I traded them for like 250 raw swordfish. So pretty sure I didn't make my money back from that, but I don't care. I could care less. I do need to go buy some more monkfish and stuff though. What's this? Oh, okay. I need to go sell those real quick. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the Grand Exchange and sell all of my stuff. Because I'm gonna be heading over that way any minute because I gotta sell all this stuff that I can't have. Take off the fucking mask. Oh, I keep on. There we go. Alright. I got everything that's worth value. Okay. Alright, I think the last price checked was 44 mil. Hoping to see about 45. 46.6. That is nice, guys. That is very nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the Grand Exchange and sell all that. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. 41... What are we at? 41.4. 41.4. I want to make that 41.5. Let's see if I can find something else in my bank. Let's try to take those. I'm not gonna need this anymore. Try these. That. I think I have. Yeah, there it is. Oh shit. Now where to go? Attach it here. Well, I'll be darned. I just messed up my entire bank. Where'd it go? Alright, hold on. Room. Right here. There's. Grab these out of here too. Let's see what else is in here. Sorry guys, I should have did this before, but I didn't even. I just quick sold that crap. I'm not going to be using these anymore, so we're going to sell those too. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, guys. I'm trying to make this fast. As you can tell, I'm not the best at making things fast. That was only 2K. Minus 31 out of that. Yeah, I got it. Grab it. Grab it. Alright, we're gonna just go. Oh, those are worth a lot more than I thought. Alright, well, that was worth a lot more than I thought, guys. Never mind on that. Well, now we're at 42 instead. What the hell? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we're at a good point. I like that. Damn, I got a lot of tabs now. It's okay. That's for the skills that I wanted to work on. What is this? Oh, protein traps. Alright guys, I'm gonna upload the video. If you guys feel the need, hit the subscribe button. It's really gonna help me out. Alright, later.